Check it out. They got the Inspector Gadget, Penny and Inspector Gadget Funko Pops. There's a chase to this one, I'm pretty sure. But these were the only two I found here. Maybe one day they'll do Dr. Claw. That'd be cool if they had Dr. Claw. But yeah, new Pops spotted at Walmart. I love giving you guys these heads ups to try to help you out. They got all of these too. Sorcerer, Mickey, LeBron. So some of the new stuff. Will and Grace. They got, this is old. They got Frank over here. This is pretty new. That's an awesome pop. Yeah, quick vid. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this helps you out. Thumbs it up, subscribe, and we out.